Wetin dey happen, my people? Welcome to Pidgin Vibes Weekly News Recap. February 2 reach February 7, 2026. Security matters still dey hot as gunmen attack Kaduna State, kill 3 people and kidnap 1 Catholic priest. For Kwara State, serious violence burst as armed men attack Woro and Nuku communities. Over 160 lives done lost. Federal government don respond by creating new military command to block spread of insurgents. President Bola Tinubu announced official state visit to United Kingdom this March, first of its kind in almost 40 years. Better news for economy as Nigerian stock market gained over 4 trillion naira within 1 week. Dangote Refinery don seal fresh gas supply deal with NNPC to boost fuel production and stability. For tech side, NIDA joined hand with International Telecommunication Union to push Nigeria digital development. Music legend Fela and Apple Kuti collect Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award Global Respect for Naija Culture. Spiritual matter trend as thousands gather for Lagos Prayer Conference, praying for peace and direction for Nigeria. Tension for Southeast as sit-at-home order cause fear. Lawyers don't want to say many of the messages na fake. Federal government promised justice as them prepare to charge suspects linked to Benue killings. Anambra governor reopen Onitsha markets, encourage traders make them return and boost economy. Labour Party leader Peter Obi talk say bad leadership dey hold Nigeria back, urge citizens to stay conscious. From security to politics, economy, culture and faith, na so Nigeria's week be. Na Pidgin Vibes news be this. Follow us for more updates. Make una dey safe.